Hi guys, welcome again to another video. Karibu sana. Yeah, it's a new day with a new video, and in today's video it's mom's life. Yeah, I'm going to do a lot. Yeah, like I'm going to prepare breakfast. I'll be doing cleaning, and lastly guys, I'm going to take my kids out so that they can at least enjoy. Yeah, that's all about today's video. Kindly stick to the end, and remember to leave a comment after watching. Subscribe if you haven't, like, and share this video out. Yeah, in this channel we do homemaking videos, cooking videos, and motherhood videos. Yeah, and that's all about this channel. Yeah, in case it's your first time here, my name is Wilkista, and thank you so much for coming. Yeah, so guys, let's start today's video.
Always a loser, claiming it was never a race. Telling lies with a smile on the podium for second place. A six-sided die in hand, the cat is deep asleep on the bed. The wicked in every man you've loved and then you lost again. I am so proud to present everything I've ever said, ever leave. Even in my time of need, you sing to me in my sleep, ever leave, ever leave.
Guys, it's morning hours. Yeah, today is Sunday, and it's around 7:30 na ndio nimeamka. Yeah, so I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face. Yeah, from there guys, I'm going to prepare breakfast. Yeah, and I'm going to show you what we're going to have for the breakfast. Yeah, so after breakfast guys, I'm going to start the cleaning and I'm going to show you. So kindly stick to the end.
Maybe in a different way. There is nothing I won't do just to make my way to you, ever leave. And I wish I could make you see what you really mean to me, ever leave. Maybe I should have kept this to myself.
Guys, let's prepare our breakfast. Yeah, I'm going to prepare these sweet potatoes as you can see, and for me lazima tu nizitoe maganda. Yeah, I'm used to like napenda tu nizitoe maganda. Yeah, I know some of you don't like maybe peeling, but for me I prefer ni peel alafu ndio tukule, si ndio? Yeah, so inategemea tu mtu venye umezoea. Yeah, like me nimezoea kutoa maganda before nipike. Yeah, and guys, we're going to have these with tea as usual, na scrambled eggs. Yeah, that's what we're going to have. And thank you so much, guys, for being around to support my channel. Yeah, I always appreciate you guys. I don't like take you for granted. No, I love you and I always need you in my channel. So, guys, stick to the end and remember to give this video a thumbs up.
Time of need, you sing to me in my sleep, ever leave, ever leave.
our breakfast is ready, as you can see, looking yummy and so delicious. Yeah, and the sweet potatoes zilikuwa zile za white, not the yellow one. Yeah, na pale kulikuwa na kandizi. Yeah, so guys, after the breakfast, I'm going to start the cleaning. Yeah, I'm going to clean these school bags and I'm also going to clean the shoes. Yeah, I know tuko wengi wenye hatupendi kuosha viatu, but we have no option. Yeah, so after that guys, I'm going to clean this bathroom.
Sing to me, we'll dance out in the streets and believe that I'm right here by your side. Tell me something with your eyes. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers tell me so. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a
Finally, I'm done with the cleaning. Yeah, as you can see, our bathroom imekaa safi. Yeah. So guys, after this, guys, I'm going to take my kids out and I'm going to tag you where we are going. Yeah, so guys, let's go with you.
guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my. You're the love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy.
Guys, I don't know kama ushapatana na hawa watu wa kuchora. Yaani mtoto ashaanza kuchorwa, mtoto ashapatiwa balloon, yaani wewe uko tu pale unashangaa na pesa utatoa. Si bure, pesa utatoa. Na hapa Luna alikuwa walikuwa wanachorwa na Luisa but Ivan alikataa, akasema, "Oh, mimi ni mwanaume, mimi sichorwi." Yeah, so guys, stick around.
My place, maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head.
So guys, at this point kila mtu alikuwa na njaa. Yeah, so we decided to go for lunch na tukaenda kwa hoteli tukakula. Mimi huyu nikaanguka na ugali wangu, the rest wakaanguka na chips. Yeah, that's what tulikula. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If at all you watched this video up to this far, may God bless you and bless you sana. Yeah, I think this is the end of today's video. Yeah, let me see you on my next one. It's a bye bye for now. Bye.